Thank you so much. You are welcome to my channel. OS Jeremiah is my name, your cryptocurrency specialist from Nigerian country. Three big things cryptocurrency can do for you. Three big things cryptocurrency can do for you. Let's go into the menu and fulfill the promise in just 2 minutes. Number one, overnight financial freedom. Overnight financial freedom. When you are going to the cryptocurrency industry, I don't want you to have that mind. Overnight success is not good because it will allow FOMO to affect you. You may likely lose your money. It may affect you by emotion. There are so many ways it may affect you. But the purpose of this episode is to educate the general public that you can easily achieve overnight success in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology industry, the most trending business on the internet today, the most trending industry. Number one, overnight financial freedom. Overnight, let me show you something here. Overnight financial freedom. Overnight financial freedom. Look at the screen very well. This is a Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu was as low as no points, no, was as low as no points, no, 1. In the month of January year 2021, 0.11 zeros and 1. And the same Shiba Inu today went as high as 0.88, and somebody turned $8,000 into $5.7 billion. So that is it for this industry. You can easily achieve an overnight success if you understand this industry and you know your way. Number two, luxury life. There's no doubt about the fact that almost everybody in all nations of the earth wanted to live a better life, which we used to call luxury life. Because of without luxury, sometimes we don't enjoy this life, no matter how the type of human being. If you look at the screen very well, this is Travala. Travala is an international hotel booking website, and you can book for any hostel. You can book for any hotel in this website or application wherever you are all over the world. And this Travala partner with Binance in the past, and this is saying to you that Binance is one of the biggest and the most tribal companies in the cryptocurrency industry, and they are the biggest exchange. Binance is the biggest exchange, biggest centralized exchange in cryptocurrency industry in the entire world. So Travala partner with Binance in the past says a lot to you that Travala is one of the best when it comes to hotel booking websites. Number three, future retirement cryptos. I think the purpose of this life is to work for a few years, enjoying our life in retirement. You can now see what happened in this Shiba Inu. It happened in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance. It has been happening, and Shiba Inu broke the entire record. Imagine somebody invested $8,000 and the balance is now $5.7 billion, and maybe he has cashed out because it's like he has cashed out. The person that investor has cashed out, and the news shake the entire industry. And this is telling you a lot what you can easily achieve in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology industry. You just need to find one reliable mentor, put yourself in the best community, and be ringing forward. Try to be active, and you are going to, by premium, by payment, by free, you are going to access the latest giants. Whether we like it or not, we are still going to see a new player, a new gem, a new giants project make a better record than Shiba Inu. It has been happening for so many years. I told people not to bother themselves about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, that have done a lot and focus on what may likely happen in the future. This is one future now. This is what I've been complaining since 2017. And when you look at the screen, Shiba Inu broke the entire record. And whether we like it or not, we are still going to see that again. Thank you so much for taking your time to have been capturing everything in this episode. Below this video, by the left side, please like it now for it to go viral so that people can gain access. And by the right side, you are going to see the share button. Share it globally. Sharing is caring. Below this video, you are going to see the description also. Click the description and you are going to see the link to my Telegram private channel, my private Telegram channel. That is where you can access highly profitable money-making content when it comes to cryptocurrency industry every day. I used to post one video every day, one video minimum every day, sometimes two, sometimes three. And I'm posting another one, highly money-making video. I'm posting another highly money-making video within the next few hours. So when you subscribe in my channel, when you click the description below now, and you click link to my Telegram private channel, or my private Telegram channel, my private Telegram channel, you are going to gain access to the highly profitable content immediately. And last, second, by the right side, you are going to see the subscribe button. Subscribe now so that you will gain access to another video I'm posting within the next few hours. I used to post minimum of once every day so that you can gain access early to the new Shiba Inu. And lastly, am I doing right or wrong in this video? Do you like the content being provided or produced in this video? Let me know in the comment if I'm doing it right or wrong. And also, do you have any problem that is affecting you in the cryptocurrency industry? Let me know in the comment and I'm going to reply you immediately. If I don't hear your voice, I won't know whether I'm doing it right or wrong. I won't know whether you have problem or not. Drop your problem in the comment and I'm going to reply you immediately. So far you have been hearing the voice of OS Jeremiah, your cryptocurrency specialist from Nigerian country. Hope you enjoyed this tangible episode. Watch out for another Power Pack episode within the next few hours. Thank you for your time.